goes around.
Oh my god. We're both just...
A dormir. A dormir. Ya. Oh my god.
Say, miss you. Mande. Mamá. Oh my gosh. ¿Qué dijiste, mamá? When your dog doesn't want to sit with us, he's gone and sat on his own. Fair enough. Fair enough, Tony.
Gary. Oh my god. Are you alright? Что делается, а? Скалолазище.
TBT to when I got to fly on a plane.
The happiest people in the world.
Come here, Joni.
Wait for me, I got little legs.
Come here.
Oh! Oh!
Pra que fez isso, Janete? Estragou todo o sofá! Sit.
Kiddo. Hey. Can I get a bottle of Don Julio Reposado? You tell him what I said.
Don Julio, please.
Don Julio Reposado, please. Thank you.
Where's the chicken? Did you eat the whole rotisserie chicken off the bench? Nori. You're so naughty.
We're okay.
Drugs?
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
What are you doing?
Oh, no, 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 no.
Do you want to go outside? Yeah?
Pav, your favorite person arrives.
Where are you going? Are you swimming? Are you swimming? You get it, girl.
Come on, Jessie!
Number 6,432,000 for Rocky Lee Special Edition. Do you like?
Bájate, bájate, bájate. Saca, se cayó.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog.
Why are you upset? Harlow. Why? Why are you upset at me?
Hi, baby. I'm taking a video of the dog. Oh, sorry.
How you feel about getting tricked?
So the lid was off this, and I'm wondering who ate the soup. Was it you? I think it was you.
Mmm, so good and tasty.
Get up now. Get up. Get the clothes.
Cash, go close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Good boy.
Boy, good boy.
Did you just fart? Okay. Okay, go.
I'm pooping. Yeah, you smell it?
Molly.
to sit, yeah?
Wow! No, Mom, that's me! Get off his head! Let me see. Stand up.
If you don't want to poop in the rain, raise your paw. If you don't want to poop in the rain, raise your paw. If the ground is really soggy and you don't want to go potty, if you don't want to poop in the rain, raise your paw.
I want to show you guys something I got my dog. Can you show him? Hey, bro.
Tyrion, show me what you want. That's not your button. Your button's over there, bud. Show me what you want. No, don't get mad at me. That's not your button. No. Tyrion.
Stay. Stay. Do not eat that chicken tender. No!
Don't step in a puddle, please. Please, please, please don't step in a puddle. Oh, so sweet.
Queen does dog shows. She is a grand champion show dog. This one right here.
No, don't tease them.
Yes, but my antiques are brand new. That chair comes in a set of 12. Nice, isn't it? Is it made of...
Speak.
Whisper.
Hi, baby. No. That was rude.
Hey, Rory. Some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather.
What? It's beautiful. Look at it. See it?
What the fuck?
Put it on the floor.
What's this? Oh, I thought I had no nose.
Look at it. The front face.
I honestly don't know why she does this.
What are you doing? No. No. I'm not asking you to, I'm not giving you a treat. What are you doing? No.
Oh my goodness, you two.
What are we shaking for? Oh, the paw. Oh my gosh. Oh my. That's my spot. Oh shit. What the?
Both of them.
What are you doing?
You got your ear in your mouth. Drop your ear. Drop your ear. Don't chew on it. Don't chew on your ear. No. You don't want me to take it away? Can I have your ear? Lincoln, don't eat your ear. Give me it. Lincoln.
I said I was going to tell on y'all. I'm going to tell y'all dad. Stop barking at me. Have a good day, y'all. Be safe and put your seatbelt on. All right. Yo, they so scared. They laying down in the back. Wait, they got real low. Oh my gosh. Look, oh my God.